Hello students, today we will discuss Beehive chapter, The Fun They Had. Author of this chapter is Isaac Asimov. Okay, first of all, before starting this chapter, I want to ask you, during this pandemic time, are you satisfied with the way of learning which you are getting? Like you are getting online PDFs, you are getting online videos, links, and you are studying at home. So you are satisfied. Are you missing your school time when you have interaction with your teachers? Are you missing the time which you have spent with your classmates? Okay, in this chapter, Isaac Asimov have described and compared the various fields of study, like in modern times, like the study which is going right now, in present times, and the future, how future school will be like. Okay, according to him, future schools will be like all the students will have their individual computers, and those individual and those personal computers will act like their robotic teachers, and those robotic teachers will explain all the chapters. Like in present times, there is a human teacher, and human teacher will describe you all the things. If there is any problem in the lessons or any question, you will immediately ask me, and I will solve your problem. But in future school, there will not such things like that. There will be robotic teachers, and they will explain all the chapters to the students in the PC only. Okay, and they will have e-text. E-text means they will give their electronic test or electronic notes which will be fed in the computers. The classroom which are present nowadays, they will not have this type of classrooms. They will have virtual classrooms. Okay, so according to author, future schools will be like this. Okay, so introduction of this chapter. What is the basic theme of the fun they had? Okay, according to author Isaac Asimov, the basic theme is like mechanical techniques affecting school system, modern techniques and future techniques which will affect the future school system. Obviously they will affect, as we are very much aware, when technology increases, it always have adverse effect over health to human beings. Now, also Isaac Asimov have compared future schools and present time schools. Okay, future schools, no doubt, the schools which will be present in future, they have robotic teachers. They will provide very good knowledge to the students. Okay, but what is the main problem? Students will miss all the fun they could have in the schools, and also emotional connection they can have with their teachers. They will miss all these things. They can miss the fun with their classmates. They can miss the physical activities, all the curriculum activities. So there is a problem in this thing. Okay, so what is the result of all this thing? Result, student life will become mechanical and dull. Obviously, when all these things will not be present in the future, they will not go to the schools, and they will have their virtual classrooms in their home only. Then how can they be so interactive, or they cannot be active? Then their life will become very mechanical type or dull type. Isaac Asimov deals with Tommy and Margie. These are two characters which are present in this chapter. Tommy is basically 13-year-old boy, and Margie is 11-year-old girl. Okay. Now, what happened? Tommy went to Margie's house. Okay, and he told her that he found a real book. Okay, he was saying he found a real book, and they both were very much amused by seeing that real old book. Why? Because they are present in the time, and what is the date on that day? 17th March 2157. You can say it is very huge gap from present schools to the future schools, and they both were very much amused and surprised by seeing the real old book. And the book was in very bad condition, we can say, because it was old, and the pages of the book was yellowish color, and the condition of the book was very crinkly. Crinkly means the pages of the books were folded very badly, and if we try to scramble it, or we can try to correct it, it will easily tear. So the condition of the book was very bad. So in this we can say that they both feel amused by seeing a real book. Next, Tommy finds the book of waste. Okay, now what happened? Margie recalls times of grandfather's grandfather. What happened? Margie's grandfather told her that during his grandfather's grandfather time, the stories used to print it in the books. Okay, so it was a very surprising thing for them because they were in future schools and their time was changed. But according to Tommy, computers are far better than books. Why he's thinking like that? The computers are far better because after reading book, once a book is completed and we have read it, there are no other new words. But this thing do not happen in computers because in computers there are number of series, there are number of books which are available to us. And once, according to him, once we have read the book, we can throw it. But in the electronic books, e-books, they can be stored in the PC for a longer period of time. So he considered a book a waste. Now he was telling to Margie that this is all about the school system. Then Margie tell to Tommy, oh, she hates the school system. Why anybody is writing about schools? Because she was facing problem in learning geography from her geography mechanical teacher, and his geography mechanical teacher was a large black screen robotic teacher, and his virtual classroom was present next to her bedroom. Okay, and that geography teacher, mechanical teacher, was giving her exercises, lectures, and also in return she has to give tests, and the result of the test will come in no time. Okay, because it is an electronic device and it will give the result in a very few within a seconds. Margie was facing problem for geography mechanical teacher, I have told you. Margie's school is present in her home and she hates the slot in which she has to insert homework or test. Okay, there was a slot in her mechanical teacher in which she has to insert the test which she has done or any homework which she has prepared. So she have to insert in that slot, and she hates that the system because she thinks, oh, the result will be in no time, and she thinks there is no connection between teacher and her. So she was facing a problem, and why there is a problem in only in geography we will consider. Country inspector sets Margie's school right. What happened? As I mentioned earlier, that Margie was facing problem in her geography sector. Okay, because the mechanical teacher of her geography sector was graded up into higher grades, or we can say according to her age, mechanical teacher was giving her tough questions. So the result was that Margie marks got worse in geography sector in her mechanical teacher. Then as a result, her mother calls country inspector to examine the error or to examine the problem which her mechanical teacher is facing in geography sector. And country inspector is not pleased. He is basically a mechanic, you can say, and he used to reveal the errors in which a kid is facing in his or her computer. Now, error was fixed in an hour, and this thing basically disappoints Margie because she wants the error to be fixed for a longer period of time. The same thing which was happened with Tommy. So what happened? Tommy's history sectors was totally blank out, and country inspector took up around 1 month to reconstruct or rebuild the error. So she was a little bit disappointed why he immediately corrected. In the last topic, we will study about that Tommy tells Margie about the old schools. Okay, as we are very much aware that Tommy found an old book, and that old book tells about the schools which existed 100 years ago. Okay, he was telling to Margie that the schools which are present earlier were not like present day schools. Okay, in those schools, teachers were not mechanical teachers. They were having human as a teacher, and those human teachers they give homeworks, and they used to give all the lectures to the students, boys and girls of the same age, in the classrooms. And the schools were having a special buildings, and in buildings there were separate classrooms according to the age of the students. At the same time, a single human teacher will teach a class, whole class, a particular chapter. And Margie was initially she was feeling, she was thinking, it is so funny how a human teacher can teach children. and secondly she was thinking that how all the students learn at the same time, because according to her mother, education must fit in each mind, because her mother used to told her that education must fit in each mind in the same time. So she was thinking how it is possible for a human teacher to teach such a large number of students at the same time. For them it is very surprising thing that how this was happened. But still she was very much surprised, but at the same time she wanted to know more about the old schools. But then she has to move to the school room which is next to her bedroom, because her geography class was on time and the mechanical teacher will not wait for her. But while she goes to that school room, she was thinking about the old schools, and she was thinking how they were so good, and she was also thinking if she was at that time, she can also experience all the fun which they had. Okay, this is all about the chapter. Isaac Asimov explained about the schools which can be present in future days. Okay, thank you.